Thank you. Can we have some silence, please? Can we have some silence? Thank you. Can we have no parliament session? Because the voice of 60% of this country has been crushed, humiliated, and yesterday in the Rajya Sabha, physically beaten. We raised the issue of Pegasus. We asked the government to debate Pegasus. The government refuses to debate Pegasus. We raised the issue of farmers outside Parliament because we cannot raise it inside Parliament. We raised the issue of price rise outside Parliament because we could not raise it inside Parliament. And today we have come here to speak to you because we are not allowed to speak inside Parliament. This is nothing but of the democracy of. I'd also like my friends from other parties to make their comments. From other parties to make their comments.
देखिए, जैसे कि अभी राहुल जी ने कहा कि पार्लियामेंट सेशन हुआ ही नहीं है। अगर विपक्ष को अपनी बात रखने का मौका नहीं मिला है, हम जनता के हित में, देश के हित में जो बात रखना चाहते थे, हमारा आवाज आप तक पहुंचने नहीं दिया। अगर आप इसे पार्लियामेंट का सेशन कहते हैं तो मैं मानता हूं यह पार्लियामेंट का सेशन नहीं थी। हमारे सबके सामने हमने कल देखा है, लोकतंत्र की हत्या हुई हमने देखा है, हमारे आंखों से देखा है। जिस तरह से कल राज्यसभा में मार्शल के ड्रेस पर बाहर से प्राइवेट लोग आकर हमारे महिला सांसद और हमारे सभी सांसदों के ऊपर हमला करने की कोशिश की, मुझे लगा ये मार्शल नहीं थे, मार्शल लॉ लगाया था राज्यसभा में और पार्लियामेंट में। हमने इस प्रकार से जो लोग खड़े थे कल, तो मैंने तो बोला कि मुझे लगता है कि मैं पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर पे खड़ा हूं और हमें रोका जा रहा है अंदर जाने से। इस देश में कल पवार साहब ने जो कहा है कि उनके 55 साल के संसदीय लोकशाही के पूरे जीवन में इस प्रकार का चित्र न खड़गे साहब ने देखा है, न पवार साहब ने देखा है, और 20 साल में न हमने देखा है। अगर इस प्रकार से आप दर दिन लोकतंत्र की हत्या करते रहेंगे तो मुझे विश्वास है दर दिन लोकतंत्र को हम जिंदा करेंगे और ज्यादा ताकत से देश के सामने आएंगे। मैं ये जो हमारी अपोजिशन की यूनिटी है उसको धन्यवाद देता हूं कि कल भी हम एक साथ थे और आज भी एक साथ है और कल भी रहेंगे। धन्यवाद।
See, in more than 2 decades of experience in Parliament, we have never witnessed what we experienced yesterday in the Rajya Sabha. The opposition, as the voice of the people, raised very important issues, the Pegasus, farmers issue, and the price rise to be discussed. The government never considered to any one of our demands. Above all, yesterday, the General Insurance Business Amendment Bill is very important, in which the government is attempting to dilute the shares of the government and sell it to the private companies. Lakhs of employees are agitating, crores of policyholders are affected. So we just suggested that it should be referred to a select committee. Even that they didn't relent, they didn't concede. They were trying to push what all they wanted. They passed 35 bills, and yesterday in the din they wanted to pass the insurance bill. When the members agitated, force was exerted upon them. Literally 2 women MPs were dragged in the pathway, and all our efforts to resist the government not to bring the bill for discussion was futile. But all the TVs, Rajya Sabha TV has been blacked out. What happens on the opposition benches never goes to the people. So we have come to you, through you only, we can make to the people, take to the people clear our stand that all of us are united. All the opposition parties in this country are now united against this authoritarian government who are rigid, where the parliament is in peril, the democracy is in peril, and no democracy is allowed to the opposition members. So we are all united, come here, and through you it should reach the people that we were not the responsible as we were being alleged or accused. Only the ruling party is solely responsible for not functioning the parliament and all other things that have happened.